Hi, my name is Christy. I graduated from St. Mary's University with a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. My education at St. Mary's prepared me for my current career, which I love, as an engineer and project manager in the solar industry. So I'm excited today to tell you all about the cool new things going on in the St. Mary's Engineering Department. But first, just a little about the university overall. St. Mary's combines a liberal arts education with professional degrees to develop you as a whole person. I can speak to this because in addition to getting a great science and technical education, I also found a deeper love for literature and poetry thanks to the balanced curriculum here.
We have the combination of a professional education in a liberal arts environment. And so students get to prepare for a career as an engineer, but they also get to foster their full formation.
So the biggest thing about St. Mary's and where it's gotten me today is by preparing me to not only be a good student in my individual field, but to be a holistic person who really looks at the overall effects that our work has in our community, in our families, in the world around us.
St. Mary's is a faith-based community that's inclusive and forward-thinking, which is awesome because it's so helpful to have a nurturing and supportive community that promotes the importance of change and adaptability when you're in college.
I've always been used to smaller class sizes, so at St. Mary's right here, we have about an 11-to-1 student-to-faculty ratio, so that's pretty good for us because we can always get to know our professors and they get to know us by name.
One of the first things that I think about when I think about St. Mary's is community, and it's one of the primary reasons why I selected St. Mary's. The one-on-one time with our professors and faculty here is something that I think is very special about St. Mary's and very unique.
So one of my favorite things at St. Mary's University is the family spirit that we have. Within this family spirit, we have faculty helping students, students helping faculty, and at the same time, students helping students. This family spirit, it helps the students to progress in their career. They can work on the different activities that they need to do, and everybody gets involved on the student education.
When you come to St. Mary's, it's like you become a part of something bigger than just you. There's a real spirit of giving back here, with a consciousness ranging from local to global issues.
In case you have any questions like you do in high school and you feel like, well, maybe I'm not going to make it when I make a university. Maybe I'm just going to fall behind. Maybe I'm going to change my major. Well, with the university and staff, they'll do anything they can and everything they can to make sure you get all the information you need.
St. Mary's has a gorgeous campus with plenty of peaceful outdoor spaces, a nice mix of historic and modern architecture, a great library and gym, even an esports arena. There are many comfortable dorms to choose from, a variety of on-campus restaurants, a great cafeteria, even a coffee shop and a pub. Now about the engineering department. Thanks to the small class sizes with only 15 to 25 students, there's many opportunities for one-on-one discussions with professors and interactive learning. It's a very student-centered environment. Now, I imagine that small class sizes are beneficial to many different disciplines, but for engineering in particular, it really makes a big difference to have that hands-on time in the lab and have that individual attention from your professors.
Students can come to our office hours or any time of the day to ask for help on subjects, to discuss research projects. We have research opportunities with our students, or just stop by and say hi.
So today we are at the Thermofluids lab, and this is one of the labs that we have for our students. We tried our curriculum is hands-on. We try to bring the students as much as we can into the lab, and we let them to use the labs. This is not research labs, these are teaching labs where we want the students to use the equipment. We want the students not just to learn from the books, we want the students actually to run real experiments.
You'll find an ample number of laboratories with state-of-the-art equipment that is also used in industry for students to get hands-on practical know-how and experiential learning. For instance, the newly constructed drone laboratory with an indoor flight zone accommodates a brand new degree plan in engineering science with a concentration in unmanned aerial systems to prepare students to work in the exciting and emerging market of drone technologies.
The St. Mary's University Copter, or SMUC, is currently on its third version, and this is completely student designed and made.
Throughout the program, they will build their own drones from beginning to end, including all aspects of it and the application. So we're very excited. This is a field that's growing tremendously, so there will be so many career opportunities, and we are preparing the students for these career opportunities in the future.
Throughout this program, students learn the hardware and software aspects involved in developing these flying robots. They also learn how to fly, build, and create new drone applications. St. Mary's Engineering has a high number of labs in their curriculum compared to other schools. The engineering department does not use graduate students to teach undergraduate classes or labs. All the classes and labs are taught by faculty, and they maintain generous office hours and encourage walk-ins with an open-door policy.
I love getting to be a part of a student's transformation from being a scholar to being a fully functioning engineer.
It really helps you build great technical skills because the professors are right there with you, not just guiding you through it, but also challenging you and making you think critically.
Each student also gets his or her own faculty advisor from day one, who monitors their academic progress and guides them towards success and graduation.
There's a mandatory internship program here at St. Mary's, and I actually had not one but 2 great internships. One of them was at NASA. Your engineering professors will help you land these invaluable internships, thanks to a network of industry sponsorships and alumni.
I received a lot of help, and that's one thing that I really value about the St. Mary's education is that there is an emphasis on the student. The professors here, they realize that the students are an integral role into the success and the prestige of the university.
The most exciting and important industry internship for you will culminate in a year-long capstone senior design project. As you work on a relevant problem proposed by a sponsoring company, you will get to experience everything that has to do with becoming a real practicing engineer.
My senior design project is a solar-powered generator, essentially. We started with a flatbed trailer. We were able to fit 9 solar panels. They are 365 watt each, so it's a total of 3 kW system inside. We were able to fit a 200 amp hour, 48 volt battery system, and we're using an Outback system as the charge controller and inverter to be able to get the DC into AC and use it for the plugs that we have out here.
The list of companies where engineering seniors have completed senior design projects is long and impressive. You can see that all our engineering majors find opportunities to work everywhere. Additionally, many undergraduate students participate in faculty research projects funded by external grants, McNair scholarships, and summer fellowships. There are several different degree programs offered by the St. Mary's Engineering Department: computer engineering, electrical engineering, engineering management, industrial engineering, mechanical engineering, software engineering, and engineering science. With engineering science, you could do an open concentration or a concentration with chemistry, drone technology, environmental science, mathematics, or pre-med. The computer, electrical, industrial, and mechanical programs are ABET accredited, and they assure the global quality standards expected for these professional programs.
The conclusion to all these wonderful things St. Mary's does give, from assisting you whatever you can, whatever problems you have financially, they'll do anything they can. And as a result, I get to work on other things as well. One, my degree, of course, making sure I do all well in my studies, and also building my personal character. I've learned a lot more about myself and who I am, and I was able to develop that much more in this university.
I'm sure you're interested in exploring the St. Mary's engineering programs in further detail, and you might have some questions for the faculty, staff, or current students. Feel free to reach out at the links provided. They'll be able to put you in touch with the right people to schedule in-person or virtual lab tours. They'll be able to put you in touch with whoever you want to talk to get the information you need about the department. I wish you great success in all your endeavors, and I hope to see you soon at St. Mary's.